Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to kick players from your private Roblox server. First, open any game, click Servers, then create a private server. Okay, now choose a private server. In my case, I need a free one. Click here and enter the server name. Now click Manage and uncheck this box. This prevents friends from automatically joining your server. You can also remove this option. This lets you play alone. You can add people who can join here. Click Add People and select from your friends list. There's also a private link you can generate. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.